Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. Happy Friday. I'm here on behalf of Pure Profit Pro, back again. Pure Profit Pro, guys, is about a 3-year-old program. It's been around about 3 years now. Digital marketing, digital training is included. Everything is available in instant setup. Once you join, you're going to pay. As you can see, there's 3 levels, $250, $500, and $1,000. Once you pay the admin and then you pay your inviter, you're instantly set up. You don't have to wait 2 or 3 days to be set up. You're instantly set up and ready to start marketing your program. Okay, there's 3 levels. Okay, so you know you won't make anything lower than $250. It's a great price point, a good place to start for anybody looking to make money online. It's member to member, instant pay. You're paid directly from the person that joins you. And I just want to showed you a while back, I'm doing postcard marketing for it as well. I'm doing it online too, but as you can see, here's my template and my cards are ready to go. My label is on it. I have that envelope on it because I want to protect the name and address of the people I'm mailing to. Here's my list. There's a package there, but you can use postcard marketing to do this as well. Once you join my team, I share the template with you guys. Get started, Pure Profit Pro. I'm going to put the link below. Pick the level you want to join at, and we'll get you going. I have a great bonus too, so reach out to me. See you on the next video, guys. You have a blessed day.